Greetings to everyone around the world, and today especially to those who meditate. My name is Tony Nader, a medical doctor and scientist by training, and the head of the Transcendental Meditation programs worldwide as a successor to its founder, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. I'm excited to tell you about a very important meditation initiative inspired by a great resolution in the United Nations. All 193 member states of the UN have unanimously proclaimed that from now on, every December 21st will be World Meditation Day. I'm honored to have been invited to give the first inaugural keynote speech celebrating this resolution. This historic initiative by the UN has been prompted by the global interest in meditation, and particularly by the scientific findings showing the effectiveness of meditation in all fields of life. Also, there is an urgent need to collectively address rising mental health issues and serious global tensions. In this proclamation, we see the recognition of the transformative power of meditation in fostering inner individual peace, as well as its enormous potential for creating world peace. It is our joy to invite everyone, whether they practice or not, transcendental meditation, TM, or any other kind of meditation. We invite them to join together to celebrate the UN's remarkable proclamation. Let me explain how this will work. Begin your morning meditation at 8 a.m. local time on this Saturday, December 21st. And as the globe turns hour by hour, time zone by time zone, each of us will start our morning meditation at 8 a.m. local time. And later the same day, each of us will start our evening meditation at 5 p.m. local time. Whatever meditation you practice, I urge you to join. Spiritual leaders, scientists, practitioners of all meditations, I warmly invite everyone to participate. Those who have not learned any kind of meditation can also at 8 a.m. in their respective time zone sit comfortably, close the eyes, and contemplate, even simply imagine how you would really like your life to be. What are your plans for the day? How you see our world evolving in peace and harmony among peoples, nations, and the environment. Think of beautiful moments, great achievements, with all good to everyone, and please share this with your friends and on your social media. There is a website, worldmeditationday.world. worldmeditationday.world. It has links to videos of people meditating and the scientific research that proves how effective deep meditation is for improving our mental and physical health and for establishing peaceful communities, nations, and the whole world. So please join in this celebration of World Meditation Day. Find out what it's like to meditate together with millions of others. Use whatever technique you do and enjoy participating in a powerful wave of coherence and harmony in world consciousness. I look forward to joining everyone in deep meditation at 8 a.m. and again at 5 p.m. on Saturday, December 21st. Thank you.